Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at how to use the brewing recommendations on our website and packaging. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. If you've purchased tea from us, you may have noticed that we include a set of brewing recommendations on our packaging and website for every tea. These instructions typically contain 3 parts: a leaf to water ratio, a water temperature, and a brewing time. We have other videos that explore the importance of these 3 elements if you're interested. Here at Red Blossom, we specialize in premium whole leaf teas from across China and Taiwan, and we believe that the best way to experience these crops is by preparing them in the traditional Chinese Gongfu method. We have another video explaining why we prefer this method if you're interested. Because of this, our brewing recommendations are tailored to Gongfu style brewing, where brewing vessels usually range from about 4 to 8 ounces in volume, much smaller than a typical Western style teapot. The majority of our brewing recommendations suggest a leaf to water ratio of 1 gram of tea per ounce of water. In a 4-ounce pot, this would mean using 4 grams of tea. In an 8-ounce pot, this would mean 8 grams of tea leaves, etc. This brewing ratio does not apply to larger Western-style brewing vessels like our 20-ounce Blossom glass teapot. For larger teaware like this, we recommend dividing the amount of tea leaves by about 2 or 3 and increasing the infusion time by the same factor. The only thing that remains the same is water temperature. Let's take an example. Our Alishan Spring Formosa Oolong recommends 1 gram of tea per ounce of water at 185 degrees for 2 minutes. Again, this applies to Chinese Gongfu style brewing, so if I have about 5 or 6 ounces of water in my gaiwan, I use about 5 or 6 grams of tea leaves and brew with 185 degree water for 2 minutes. However, if I'm using our large 20-ounce Blossom glass teapot, a 1-to-1 ratio would mean 20 grams of tea leaves, and that is too much. Instead, I'll divide the amount by 2 or 3 and use around 7 to 10 grams of tea leaf with 185 degree water, but I'll multiply my brew time by the same factor, either 2 or 3, to brew around 4 to 6 minutes. It's important to note that our brewing recommendations are offered as a starting point, not a rule, and we highly encourage you to experiment with things like the amount of tea leaf, water temperature, and brew time to find the taste you enjoy. You can find our generic brewing recommendations for each tea category, plus helpful videos and information about tea brewing on our website by clicking Brewing Guide in the Learn menu. To learn more about premium tea, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.